G'day, this is Sam Finlay here, and in this short video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Social Ad Suite Pro software so you know exactly what it does and how powerful it will be for your Facebook marketing. Okay, so jumping right in, the first step is to choose your ad size. We have lots of ad sizes here, all the ad sizes that Facebook allows, and for this demo I'll choose website conversions. And step 2, you jump over into templates and select a template. We have over 800 built into the software across all of the ad sizes, and they cover a huge range of niches. For this demo, I'll grab this one here, just a simple one here, and we'll move over into the next step, which is backgrounds. Now here you can access a library of backgrounds and easily swap things out. So we have, I think there's about 100 or so different backgrounds in here you can choose. So I'll just select this one here, and then you move over into graphics. And the graphics section, we have a library of icons and assets that can be dropped onto the canvas, and we have them categorized all here. So for example, if I want to add an icon to this, we'll choose this one, and I can drag that around here. I can resize it and position it just like you would in Photoshop or other editing programs. And you know, all of these elements here, I can grab them, move them around and change them. Alright, so that is the graphics section. Next step is text. You can come in here and add in as many text elements as you want. We also have a Facebook text checker built in, so you can stay below the 20% text rule that Facebook imposes on their ads. So you can come in here and highlight all the boxes that include text and make sure that you're staying below 20%. If you do go over the 20%, you'll see that it gets rejected, so you can then adjust things, you know, maybe come in and resize your text to make sure that it stays below the 20% rule. Alright, now moving over into the last section, which is border. You can turn your border on and off here. You can set up different styles. You can change the color, like so. You can put double ones in and change both colors out and make them thicker. So you can come in here and put together a nice border to make your ads pop in the newsfeed as well. Once you've finished your ad, you can save it to your library and it will build up here for later use, and then you can export the finished ad to your desktop, ready to use for Facebook. I'll just show you a few other little things before I wrap up this video. If you go into the canvas and select any item, you can move it up and down in space by hitting these arrows. If you want to delete it, you can select it and hit the trash icon. And if you want to put on a grid on your canvas, you can click this icon and then you'll have a grid so you can line things up nicely. Also, if you have an item that's out of place and you want to center it, you can just hit the center icon, and we also have a horizontal center and a vertical center option. Also, within the templates, backgrounds and graphics section, you have a place where you can upload your own graphics and start building up your own library. So for templates, you have the library, which is the stock items that come with the software. Then you have My Saves, where you can save out your own designs. For backgrounds, you have the main library, and then you have uploads, where you can upload your own backgrounds. And you can also set plain color backgrounds as well. In graphics, same deal. You have your library of stock items, and then you have the upload section. So in the upload section, you select the category you want to upload into, hit upload new down here, and you can select graphics from your computer and import them into the library and save them there and use them throughout all your other projects. Finally, we have the size swap feature. If you click this, you can swap your current design and the ad size that you're working on to a different ad size. So for example, if I wanted to change this to a PPE image, 1200 by 1200, I could do that, click swap it, and it will build out the design in that format. Okay, so that's it for the demo of Social Ad Suite Pro. As you can see, there's a lot of power in this software, and it's going to make your Facebook marketing creatives much easier to set up your images and split test easily and really start to get a better ROI from your ad campaigns. Okay, I'm Sam Finlay on behalf of my partner James Sides and Stephen Gilbert. Thanks for checking out this video, and click the button below now and pick up the social software bundle at the low launch price. Cheers.